Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will be able to see the 4 antiparasites on your engine, which will let you access the spark plugs. We suggest being careful not to get the coils mixed up with each other. Take the end of the antiparasite and pull on it to remove it. Be careful, you must never pull on the wire. Insert a 16mm spark plug socket with a big extender into the holes and loosen the spark plug with a socket wrench. Tip: you can use the antiparasite to remove the spark plug. Take out the old spark plug and check that it's identical to the new one. Take the new spark plug. Put the new spark plugs in place. There are several techniques for tightening the spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching a tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. Put the antiparasite back on, pushing it in as far as possible. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.